Hey guys, Steven with Prismatic Powders here. Today we're going to be going over a pretty simple topic, but it's one that's commonly overlooked by a lot of applicators, and that's gun cleaning. And not just gun cleaning, but in-depth gun cleaning. So every powder coater should be practicing standard gun cleaning procedures in between each batch of powder or each color change they're going through. But something that's commonly overlooked or missed is actually in-depth gun cleaning. So as you may think your gun is already clean after your standard gun cleaning procedure, a lot of the times what can happen is these internal components inside some of these guns can get built up with powder. And today we're using our Norton Encore as an example for that, but this can pertain to many other powder coating guns on the market that can be disassembled. So unfortunately, what can happen is over time, powder will get built up in here, and then it can randomly dislodge and then contaminate your new batch of powder that you're attempting to spray and apply evenly. A lot of times this can be then blamed on the powder and the fact that the powder is now contaminated, but really a lot of the times it can just be these internal gun components that are so dirty. So a simple yet effective solution to cleaning these internal gun components is just a basic Q-tip and denatured alcohol solution. We recommend denatured alcohol simply because it won't reintroduce moisture back into these parts, which then can come in contact with your powder as it's flowing through it. Another thing to keep in mind as well is to have multiple different feed hoses. So for colors like reds or veins or rivers, where these raw materials can, just the minute amount of it can contaminate your next batch of powder, it can be really wise to set aside some hoses that are specifically meant for those types of powders. So if today's topic was helpful for you guys and maybe troubleshooting some areas where you're experiencing some contamination directly related to maybe not having a thorough gun cleaning happen, then you'll love to check out our website at prismaticpowders.com. We have a fantastic knowledge base section at the top of our webpage. There's a ton of different articles in there that will be helpful from people that range on the beginner to intermediate to expert skill level when it comes to powder coating. Once again, thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.